Macroeconomics is the study of how the entire economy behaves at a national or global scale. Let's break down the big picture. The key word here is aggregate. It means we are looking at the sum of all spending, production, and income in a country. The most famous measure is gross domestic product, or GDP. It acts like a scorecard for how much a country is producing. Economists focus on these four pillars to understand if the economy is heating up, cooling down, or staying stable. Macro looks at the forest, while microeconomics looks at the individual trees, like how a single business sets its prices. Economies move in cycles. They grow, hit a peak, contract during a recession, and eventually bottom out before starting again. Remember that these numbers reflect real human choices. Policy changes take time to ripple through the entire system. Understanding these basics helps you make sense of the news. Thanks for watching, and keep learning about how the world works.